Hello everyone, welcome to this ArcGIS tutorial. In this video, we will learn about some basic tools in ArcMap and learn to use search tools and check results and also learn how to calculate land use percentage. So before further delay, let's start exploring. First, let's have a glance at the table of contents. You can pause the video and look at it. Tools in ArcMap are basically methods that help to analyze and manipulate GIS data and create maps. We can find different tools for different purposes in the ArcToolbox in different toolboxes like analysis tools, cartography tools. We can simply go to Geoprocessing tab to find the commonly used analysis tools such as buffer, intersect, etc. Search for tools in Geoprocessing tab is an easy way to find the required tool. Results for repeating or identifying errors is essential. We can see the tool use history and current sessions. In ArcToolbox, in the Analysis Tools option, we can find all the analysis tools based on function category like extract, overlay, proximity, and statistics. Tools in Geoprocessing tab except merge and dissolve are present in analysis tools. So let's explore some of the tools. Let's talk about clip tool in the extract section. Right clicking on it, a window will appear. In the show help option below we can learn about the tool. In the tool help option below we can learn more information about the tool. And show and tool help should be checked for every tool for getting idea about those. Clip tool works as a cookie cutter that helps to create area of interest by cutting a portion of a feature class using one or more features of another feature class. For example, let's put total in input feature and select potential in the clip feature and show output feature class. As we can see, a new layer is generated with the result showing only potential area covered total area. Now let's have idea of select tool. It basically uses SQL expressions for extracting features from input feature layer and store in output feature class. We can select area of interest using particular field in SQL expression. Split tool helps to create output of subsets of a large dataset using split field parameter. Now let's explore tools in overlay section. First, erase tool. It is kind of opposite of the click tool. Here input feature is overlapped by the erase feature and area outside the feature are stored in the result. Now let's explore intersect tool. This tool basically shows the intersection of two feature classes and shows the intersected portion in the output. If we use vegetation and proposed playground in the input feature class and select the output feature class, we can see the result in the new feature class named overlapped area. Using the symmetrical difference tool, features or portions of features that do not overlap are stored in the output feature class and showed. It works as the opposite of intersection. Now we will use union tool, which helps to compute a geometric union of features. We can select input features and select an output feature class and it will show the output as the picture shown in the hill. For example, if we select the mango tree and grass area and apply union on them, we can see that the whole area is shown in the output total vegetation area. Using update tool, geometric computation of intersection is calculated as attributes and geometry of input feature is updated by the update feature. Let's see buffer tool. It creates a buffer polygon at specified Euclidean distance from a feature. For example, if we want to identify areas within 50-meter distance of important features, we can use buffer tool to find the area of interest in output feature class. Now here two buffer areas are overlapped. Overlapped buffer areas can be dissolved. Let's do this. Procedure is same, we just have to click on the dissolve buffer and select all. Now let's see multiple ring buffer. It is same like buffer tool but it creates multiple buffers for same input feature which can be merged and dissolved too. For example, if we want to create multiple ring buffer of important feature, we can do as the following. Selecting the input feature, next we have to set the output and center the buffer distances. The result finally shows three different buffers of 30, 50 and 70 meter. Now let's explore merge tool. It combines multiple input datasets or feature classes into a large and new output dataset. For example, if we input polygon 1 and polygon 2 in input dataset and select output dataset, we can see the result where both datasets are in a single layer and have individual properties. Now let's explore a problem involving both identity and dissolve tool. If we want to find out the land use percentage of different features in the newly acquired area, we can use these tools. First, let's use identity tool. With identity tool, input feature class can be intersected and then overlaid by an identity feature class. Then overlapped part of input feature gets attribute of identity feature class. So, if we select newly acquired area as input feature class and building block layer as identity feature, it will create a new layer where overlapped part of new area will get buildings attributes and the part of buildings not overlapped will be removed. Thus, the building land use can be then easily calculated inside the newly acquired area. Next, we have to take the result layer and repeat the same for all other layers where each time the outcome of previous process will be used as input feature and a new layer will be used as an identity feature. After completing this for all the layers, we have to use dissolve tool. This will aggregate the features based on a common field. Thus, the area for common features will be easily calculated. Use field geometry to calculate area in the area field. Next, we have to add a new field named percentage. Before using this, let's check the statistics of the area where sum indicates the total area. Now, right click on percentage and go to field calculator and set an equation for percentage where area divided by total area into 100. Click OK and the percentage of all the land uses will be displayed in the attribute table. So, thank you everyone for watching till the end. Hope this tutorial will be helpful for you.